Where's Master Baker? Where is she? Boy, where is she?
So, you're comfy.
Hi, Master Baker. I came to get my makeup done. My auntie's coming into the States, and I came to get my makeup done. I heard you're the best makeup artist there is around, so I'm here for you to bake my face.
Bake your face?
Yep.
Me no bake face, me beat face.
Oh, beat face. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
I came for you to beat my
face. Me
face.
bake cakes.
Okay. I'm
Me
sorry.
bake cakes,
My
cupcakes. Me
Came for you
bake,
to beat my face.
me bake pudding.
Yes. Oh, okay.
Me beat face.
Your beat face.
My
Okay.
beat
I'm
face.
sorry. I apologize. I had it wrong. It's beat face.
Yeah, when you come to Master Baker,
Yeah.
you get your wording right.
Okay. I apologize, Master Baker.
Master Baker can do all of that for you.
Okay.
Yes. So tell Master Baker what color you gonna wear.
I'm gonna be wearing blue.
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 Blue is a beautiful color. You see me have a little blue in the living room. You understand?
Yes.
Me know for color coordinate.
Okay.
Master Baker know for do everything.
I
color,
heard.
Color coordinate and everything. You see me coordinate my colors?
I do.
Yes, yes. It's your Master Baker. Master Baker even know for dress up in the house. So you imagine when Master Baker beat your face, oh, you're gonna look nice.
I'm excited.
You're excited.
I'm excited, Master
too.
Baker.
Excited. A celebrity face, me do.
Celebrity?
Big celebrity face.
Really?
All kind of celebrities.
I heard you're the best there is.
Best. Okay, Master Baker did go wash our hands then.
Okay.
So Master Baker hands them clean.
Okay.
I'm ready for beat your face. Alright?
Alright.
We have to beat it up a little bit first. We have to beat up a little. Yeah. Get it ready. Yeah, you beat it a little bit. That's a part of the beating. Okay? Nobody be a punk in a Master Baker.
No.
Salon. You have to beat it up. Yeah, make it beat. Yeah, you gotta beat it a little bit. It's a part of the beating. Close your eyes. Yes. And enjoy the beat. We're beating nicely. Beat. Yeah, we're beat. You gotta stop up your cheek to make it raise. You understand? You give it a little beating to make it raise. Raise up a little bit. Alright? And beat the next side and make it raise up too. Everything need to raise. Raise to the occasion. Alright? Okay? We're gonna put a little bit of we're gonna prime because it's kinda like painting a house. You have to prime it first.
Okay.
You have to prime. You wash your face this morning?
I did.
No, okay, because I'm not saying a matter in here.
No.
Okay, you wash your face.
I
And you
wash my
moisturize before you come to
Yes.
Master Baker.
Yes.
Because then they're additional money.
No, I
Understand?
moisturize my face.
But Master Baker is very
I wash
expensive.
my face, I moisturize it.
All right,
Yeah.
all right, all right. Shut your mouth, close your eye, and go and pray to Jesus, all right? For a beautiful beat down. Yeah, we're going to beat it down really nice. We're priming it, yeah. The primer nice. You have a little face, so it shouldn't take up too much of my makeup, so I'm going to charge you extra. So with the primer now, we're going to use some concealer, and we're going to conceal whatever blemishes you have on your face. Okay, we're going to conceal. No. Master Baker go wheel and come again. And we're going to do the eyebrows first. The eyebrows. Yeah, you get me confused. You're my first eye color. I usually dark color me deal with. You're the first eye color.
Oh. Okay.
Yes. We're going to brush them in. Make sure they're nice and smooth. And we're going You said blue? You go with blue. So we're going to give you blue eyebrows to match the blue dress.
Okay.
Everything going to be blue and vibrant and good.
All right.
Yeah, it's going to be good. You trust Master Baker, huh?
I do.
Okay, we're going to make it vibrant. Vibrant we deal with over here. Yeah, skin up your eyebrows just like that for Master Baker. Skin it up, skin it up. Skin it up.
Is that good?
It is wonderful. Master Baker forget something. Master Baker gonna get something. Just hold on.
Okay.
Just hold on 1 second.
Okay.
1 second. Master Baker will be right back. I know I forget something. The most important thing. Lord Jesus, the most important.
Lord, help me today.
The most important thing, the most important. Master Baker forgot the most important thing. I'm a good luck charm when I do makeup. I'm a good luck charm. Master Baker didn't forget to put on her necklace.
Oh.
Master Baker can't forget that.
Okay.
Now, let's continue. Necklace nice and broad and it have a buckle on it. Yes, a very nice necklace.
Very
you
nice.
like it?
It's beautiful.
It match the outfit.
It does.
All right, let's continue. Let's continue. Let's continue. Let's continue. Okay. We're getting there slowly but surely. Yeah. You see, we got it drawn something blue. Something. You know, this reminds me of when folks getting married. I said something blue, something red, something merry in my bed. Yes. All of this.
Okay.
Yeah, man. You never hear the saying there?
No. No, that one's new to me.
That's one new to you, okay? We're going to use the primer to clean up around the area. We're going to clean up nicely. You're going to love it. You're going to love it. You're going to love it. Because it's celebrity things. Celebrity things we deal with around here in Master Baker Place. Let's comb out the blend. It's all about blending. You have to blend. You got to blend. Blend the blue and blend it. It's going to look nice. You're going to be the most beautiful one at the party. I can't tell you from now.
Okay.
Yes, you're going to be the most beautiful. Yes. Because nobody going to have eyebrows like these. No, they're one of a kind. I'm custom doing this for you.
Okay.
It's customized.
I trust in you, Master Baker.
Okay, but I trust. Trust and obey. There's no other way than to be happy with Master Baker. Than to trust and obey. What we're doing now is just cleaning up. We're cleaning up around we're cleaning up. It'll come on perfect. Why am I better than I thought? Yes, oh Jesus. They need to send for me at Hollywood, you know. For do all of the stars, not just some, but all of the stars.
Oh, you need to do all of them.
Yeah, all of the stars. All of the stars. I need to do all of the stars. Makeup. We put a little bit of. I like the fact that you already have pointy nose, so I don't really have to contour that much. You understand?
Okay.
We're not going to contour. We're just going to con. but
Okay.
there won't be no tour.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
No time for
No
tour.
tour.
No tour, yeah. We're just going to con. We're just going to con all of these, but we're not going to tour. No touring going on. We're not in a mood for tour today. You don't need any tour. And just a little, just on the here. Now it's about blending. You see, it's about blending, and I hope the juror them paying attention, because, you know, I bet you them never know some have so much talent. The juror them never know some have so much talent. For all your, not only your baking needs, but your makeup needs too. Master Baker is here to fulfill all of that. Yes, so watch and learn. This is a tutorial for you, okay? If you have any wedding event, any graduation, engagement, watch and learn. You understand? Master Baker is here to teach you today. Okay. All right. Let's blend out. Let's blend. The blending is coming on really nicely. Yes. Make up your face a little bit for me. It's like you're used to getting your makeup done.
Yes,
because,
Master Baker.
Yeah, because you know all the face movements that you need to make without Master Baker have to pull our necklace around from our neck and deal with you properly. Yes, I like how you know what to do, okay? Good, 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 good. Perfect, perfect, perfect. It's coming on nicely. Yes, very nice. Very nice. Let's blend. Let's blend. It's all about the blend. Yes, the blend. Blend. Master Baker need a bigger brush. And we're going to blend. Blend. It's blend. You're going to blend. See how nicely it's blending in on my juror? You see? You need to blend. Work on your blending. Blend. Blend. It's all about the blend. It's blend. Look how nicely the eyebrows are laid. See how nice and thick and rich they look? Yes. Nice and rich. Whew. Yes. It's rich. Everything must look rich. Nice and rich, you know. You can't be stingy. You can't be stingy. Don't be stingy. Be nice and rich, okay? All right, we got the eyebrows done. We're going to put on the lashes. And then we'll put on the foundation.
Oh,
yes.
okay.
All right? Okay, you're following?
I do.
You're following, okay.
Do your thing, Master Baker.
Okay, follow on. So we need the foundation. Let's see if I have any white people foundation. If we don't have any white people, then we just have to draw for tan people. But I found the white people.
Okay.
I found the white people. Yes. Yes. Nice, nice. We're going to put on the foundation before the eyelash. I changed my mind.
You did?
Master Baker, yeah. Master Baker is like that. Don't stick to one thing. You make people know where you're coming from. You got to trick them, yeah? Got to trick them. It's nice and blend. It's all about blend, putting the lips and blend. Yes. Normally people would have to pay for this type of tutorial, but I'm giving it away today for free, my jurors, because I like you guys. I like you guys a lot. Master Baker like you. Yeah, so putting it on nicely. Nicely. Your hair might get a little bit of foundation in it, because I don't want to mess up your hair. So, I don't mess up what people bring to me. I perfect what people bring to me. Okay? I perfect. I don't mess up. I perfect. Okay? Yes, the blending, it's all about blend. You're going to blend. Blend and blend and blend. Okay, blend. Around the nose. You guys getting the blend? It's a blend. It's all about blend. 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 Oh, yes, yes, it's coming out so nicely. I like it. Like it a lot. Okay, we're going to do the eyeshadow, and you're going with blue. So we're going to give you a different shade of blue. Can't be all the same. You gotta twist it up and pow on them. Yeah? Pow on them. Gotta pow on them. All right, let's go in with some blue over the eyes.
Okay.
Close your eyes, please. Yes, all right. We're going in with a different shade of blue. Blue, 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 blue. All right. What shade is that? We want to go with a darker. Blue. This one is right. This one gonna pop. Whether you're going at night or day, this one gonna pop. It's popping already. This pop, this pop. Yeah, it's pop. Gonna pop it out. We're gonna take it a little bit across over here. Yes, you wanna go over. Don't be afraid to go over, people. Go over. Yeah, go over. Don't be so stingy with the makeup. Go over. I don't like when people stingy with the stuff. You understand? Mean with the makeup. Don't be mean. You use it. If you got it, use it. It's all about blend and you blend. Fit perfectly. Perfectly with the eyebrow. It matches perfectly. Yeah. Looking good. All right, we're moving over to the next one. Keep your eyes closed on me. Master Baker know how to do this really nice. We don't want we want them to match. Match, match, match. Match. Yes, get it match. It's doing well. You're doing well. You're doing good. You look beautiful already. We gotta get the crease. There's this thing they call the crease. You don't want it to crease up. You see? It come like seam. You don't want to, once you crease it, you don't want to mess it up. You want it to be nice and sharp. Crease, okay. Yes, crease is supposed to be nice and sharp. And we go around and around, yeah? It's all about blending now. Blend. Blend. We're blending. We're blending. We blend. I think it's blend enough. They look identical to me. They look like twins. Yes? Very nice. Very, very nice. So, what we're going to do now, we're going to go underneath your eye to do your liner. And we're going to carry the same blue. We're keeping in team. Okay. We're going to bring the blue down from the eye top to the eye bottom. Okay. Yeah. Look up for me. Look up. Look up like, yeah, look up. Look up like you're a saint. You know the song? Look up, saints, look up, saints. You better take warning. You better take warning. Look up, saints, look up, saints. You better take warning. You want to get in the crease? This blue is working for you. It's working. Oh, good. Very nice. Very, very nice. Very nice. It's coming right along. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, God. Oh, God. You got some tiny little eyes. If you can make your eyes a little bit bigger when you come back for the real thing, that would be great. Yeah. If you can make your eyes a little bit bigger for me when you're coming back. Yes.
I don't know how to do that, but okay.
Yeah, try.
All right, I'll try.
Make your eyes a little bit bigger for me. Master Bakers. I like work with little eyes. I'm going to just blend, blend, blend. Blend it in back. Okay. Nice. Very nice. Very, 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 very nice. All right. We're going very nice. We're going to put on now your lashes. Okay. Lash. We're going to put on your lashes. Okay. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work, but it's so worth it. You understand? It's so worth it. We're going to put on your lashes. Lash. Here we go, lashy. Yes. Okay. We're going to put on a little bit of glue on the lash. Yeah, a little glue. Got a little glue here. We're going to put on a little glue. Come on, glue. It don't matter that it's weave glue. Glue is glue. You could even use a little crazy glue, a little Gorilla glue. Yeah. A little Gorilla. As a matter of fact, I prefer to use the Gorilla glue, but because we're out of Gorilla glue, we're going to go with the hair glue.
Okay.
Okay, okay. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Perfect. Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay, close your eyes. It's working, it's working. Okay. Okay. Right up here, yes. Open now. Very nice. And your eyes grab the glue so well. So well. I like that. Usually, them other people, it take like 10 minutes for one lash to go on. But with you, it's seconds. I like that, I like that. Oh, I like that. Keep it up, keep it up. Your face grab things. Very, very well.
Very well.
Yes, I like the fact that your face grab the lash. Okay, next one. Grab it. It grabs it. It grabs it. It's gonna grab this. I wonder if you're gonna grab. Open up. Grab. It grabs. It grabs. Yeah. It grabs it. Woo. All right, we're gonna do the rouge and yeah, we're gonna give you some color.
Okay.
All right. Oh, say can you see by the dawn's early light, so proudly we held at the twilight last evening, right and right smooth, deep dong dew. Oh, the road it is cold, and we gallantly speeded to the over the George Washington Bridge, and we go to Long Island, and we go to Queens, then on to Brooklyn. Oh, we find our way to the Bronx and over the Trevor Bridge. Woo-hoo. Oh, the land of the free. Of the free. Master Baker is very good at opera. Opera is my thing. Opera is my thing. You want me to sing more? I like to sing for my clients.
Please, one more.
One more, okay. God, please stop Mary call. Oh, we're going to spray now. We're going to set out powder. Got to bake it in. Bake. Going to bake. We're going to bake. Bake. We're almost at the end. We're just going to bake. Bake. You know what we've done? Bake. Bake. Powder cake, pack of cake. Okay, well, I need to fix the nose. Powder cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake, yeah. Yeah. This is amazing. Kind of massages your nose and at the same time make it pop. Yes. to shining sea. Oh, dear. I'm so proud of myself. Huh? Very proud of myself. Lips now. Lips. Lips. Do I have any white lips? Any lips for the white people? Oh, jeez. I don't know. Master Baker gotta get some lips for the white folks. Master Baker, get some lips. White folks. Push out the lips. Push out the lips. Push out the lips. Push out the lips. I like it a lot. Yeah. A little bit more. Yeah. Like that. I like that. Okay. I like that. I think I need a little bit more color to your face. A little bit more color, and then we should be good. A little bit more color. A little bit more color to your face. Something need to pop. Shall I close your eyes for me, please? Okay. A little popping. We need a little popping. It's not popping enough. Little pop. Little pop. Pop. I think a pop. Yeah, a little pop. Pop with the blue to go with the lips. See, I know my stuff. I know something was missing. Jeez. When you're good, you're good. When you're good, you're good. And keep in mind, this is just a little trial before the big event. Yes, a little trial. When the big event come, I will put a little bit more color on it. Okay? The big event. Just keep in mind, this is a test run. This is a test run. This is a test run. Definitely a test run. Okay? We have a little color right in there. Beautiful. 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 We're going to give you a little, what's her name? Look. Marilyn Monroe kind of look. So we're going to drop a little dot right here. Going to drop a little dot. A little Marilyn Monroe. Yeah. A little Marilyn. See? A little Marilyn. Marilyn? Yeah. You feel Marilyn-ish?
I do.
You feel Marilyn?
I do.
Yeah, Marilyn.
Blonde hair and all.
Yes, you feel Marilyn-ish. Okay, very nice. This little, we're going to outdo Marilyn and make yours a little bit bigger than hers. Because we're not following Marilyn. Understand? We're not following Marilyn. We want yours to stand out more than Marilyn. Yes, very nice. Very nice. Now we're just going to let down your golden locks and so you can get the full 100. The full 150. 150. Yes, the full 150. Look at you. Oh, jeez. When you pull up, your auntie will not know what to do. Yes, okay. She won't know what to do. Yes, she not gonna know if you're a niece or a nephew. She not gonna know what to do with you. She gonna be in awe. Yeah, she gonna be in awe. Yeah, she gonna be in awe. In awe. So now we spray to set everything in, so it can really sleep in.
Okay.
Yeah? Close your eyes for me. Ain't nothing coming out of this, but just pretend that I spray with something.
Okay.
It's not like you're really going now anyway.
No.
You're not going now.
No.
But on the day you're going, I will, oh, there's another spray. Hold on. Master Baker, the thing she run out, you know. Locks. Me crack up myself. Lock. You feel that? Nice mist. Yes. And this is milk.
Milk?
Yes, it's milk. Not, it's milk. Like real breast milk in this.
Oh,
like,
breast milk.
Yeah, real breast milk. Like
Okay.
Really good for your face and your skin.
It sets it in.
It sets it in.
It bakes it in.
You bake it in.
Okay.
You can go over there and take a look. Take a look.
Oh,
what
wow,
the
Master Baker, you really did your thing.
The masterpiece. Ooh.
Boy, I'm telling you.
You can look at the masterpiece. Wonderful.
Yes, it's beautiful. I love it.
You love it.
I will be coming back.
You will
I
come back?
promise. Yes, I will be back. It is beautiful. It is stunning. I can't believe that. Wow.
Yeah.
It's stunning.
It's stunning.
Thank you so much.
You feel good about yourself.
I do. I
That's
do.
what I do. I make women feel precious about
I do.
themselves.
I do.
Yeah.
I just need to tell you, Master Baker, I love your decor in your house. It's beautiful.
I teeth my teeth from somebody named Jack.
Jack?
Yeah, me looking at Jack house and everything Jack have, me just copy it.
Oh.
That's what Master Baker do. Master Baker is a copy taker.
Copy taker?
Yeah, from me in school, me a copy.
Oh.
Me all right, pick the name in a film book. And teacher call me out and say, no, for your name that. That's how much me love for copy take.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Master Baker love copy take. So, it's going to be $250 on the day off.
Okay.
Okay, $250.
Yes. $250.
But don't worry, you can wear the makeup for like 5 days after.
5 days?
Yes, it go up to 5. You can wear up to 5 days.
Okay.
As long as you get one little piece of something and take out the matter them out of your eye, you can brandish the makeup over.
I can just use a little cute.
You can have got 2 weeks with it.
2 weeks?
2 weeks.
Oh,
2 weeks.
okay.
Yeah,
It's well baked.
Well baked.
Okay.
Now, when it bake, it bake.
It bake.
Anything Master Baker bake, it stay bake.
Okay.
You're going to see. It's going to last till tomorrow. You're going to look pretty.
All right. Great.
Come back and see
appreciate
Master
it,
Baker.
Master
I'm
Baker.
excited for do your makeup for your auntie.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I greatly appreciate it. Thank
Master
you so
Baker,
much.
Master Baker is beside herself.
They were so right about you, Master Baker. You are the best. You are the
You want
best.
me to sing
there is.
anthem again?
Yes.
Oh, sing, can you sing? I don't serve thee. Oh, so bright. Stand at attention, please, at attention. Come. Stand at attention. Yeah, you have to have respect for the American flag. Oh, yeah, put your hand over here. Oh, see, could you see?
You all right?
Knock the box for me, please.
You all right, Master Baker?
So when I got down deep in the base, when you go in the base, oh my gosh, when you come back, I'll sing it for you. Can you say your auntie coming to America?
Yes.
You want to feel the American vibe.
vibe. Yes, I got it.
I'll practice. Next time you come back, I'll sing it for you. Oh, see, can you see what it means to be? Oh, yeah, I will practice.
Okay.
I'll practice, all right? So,
All right. Thank you so much, Master
You're
Baker.
welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. All right. Now, let me see you all.
Okay.
Master Baker.
Thank you so much, Master Baker.
Yes.